Okay, so today we made some new axle ends for Maddie's birthday bike. I was gonna do a how-to video on it, but you know what? I figured it out on my own, so can you. No, I may go ahead and add the how-to video. I don't know. We'll see what kind of input we get on this one here. But like I said, I made some axle ends for the front wheel. I still need to get a tap. I think the rear axle was 3/8 by 26. All I had was a in fine thread. All I had was a 3/8 by 24, which is what you need for your fronts. Now I'll bring you down here. Let's see. I mean, we've got the Daddy's Girl reflective, holographic vinyl on there. I don't know if you can really see it shimmering. Yeah, there's a little bit there. Yeah, there you can kind of see it. So to carry that theme on with the dice, like every other lowrider bike on the planet, we've got the dice, valve caps, and I really want to carry that dice theme through. So for the axle ends, rather than using regular acorn nuts or whatever, I did that. Used 25 millimeter dice to make my own axle end. And like I say, they're pretty slick. They've got really good holding power. And again, I may do a how-to video when I do the rears. We'll see. It's not that big of a process to do. It's really not, because I mean, for right now, I've got just the regular nuts there. But again, that's for right now. So yeah, the bike has still got a little bit of work to be done to it, but it is really pretty. The kiddo loves it. We will be riding it because my bikes are built to ride. Again, we'll see about doing a how-to video on these. I don't know. Like I said, I want to see what kind of response we get before I go through all that trouble. But I mean, there it is. They're not that difficult to make. They've got a surprisingly really good amount of staying power. I mean, it's got just as much torque as a standard acorn nut does on there. I did add 2 washers into the back just to kind of space it out, because to drill into these, I mean, it's really tight as far as clearance goes. The first 2 I tried, I went a little too deep and literally split the dice in 2 when I tried to torque it down. The axle then hit the bottom side of the dice flush inside and just blew it right apart in my hand. But you guys let me know if you want to see a how-to video on these. They're not difficult to do. They definitely look different. I like them. The kiddo likes them, so we'll see what happens. Have a good one, y'all.